Step 3 was the litmus test. ED is 95% done building his kingdom. Sabina mashukwaru kuda nyoka pangwa inwe ima anti 2030 lieutenants. Vachiti nawo yema constitutional amendments yaiva yekungoratidza as an indicator kuti panguva inoi President ED Mnangagwa is now ready to install a kingdom. Zimbabwe no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anti 2030 chiti I published his draft kingdom constitution, but Akashi laughed it off. I warned the army that ED will rename the army, scrapped top ranks, yet commanders still trust him. Tonight, ED will perform kingdom rituals and posted these letters Atakambo published last time. The same Andy 2030 lieutenants are the ones who came with these letters. We do not know if they are legit kana kuti ndeawo anobva kumasources anenge ari trusted, but panguva ine tichipinda mumaletters aya tikuona inde yakanyorwa yakanzi His Majesty King Mnangagwa will appoint his son Prince Sean Mnangagwa is the commander of the Mnangagwa Kingdom Army. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will abolish the following ranks within the Zimbabwe National Army: Brigadier General, Major General, Colonel, and Major. His Majesty King Mnangagwa is to redeploy all veterans in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to non-security departments. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will appoint his son to command the provincial army barracks across 10 provinces. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will have the power to fire or appoint any member of his royal family to any rank within Mnangagwa Kingdom Army. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will have the power to appoint his relative or friend to serve in the Mnangagwa Kingdom Army. Doma developments are good pangwa in our Cap 3, it was just a litmus test, and pangwa in Irurazakute is very positive. Cap 3 can give the Mnangagwa right to install their dynasty. Pina comment section medu za fungura ejimot kulipa msoro pichiti kwa ichi. Pina comment section medu subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.